The Marcy Multifunction Steel Home Gym 150 pounds weight stack machine is an impressive piece of equipment that offers a comprehensive workout experience in the comfort of your home. Designed with both the casual fitness enthusiast and the dedicated muscle builder in mind, this home gym system is engineered with premium steel construction, making it robust and durable enough to handle intense strength training routines. The heavy-duty steel tubing and reinforced guard rods contribute significantly to the stability and longevity of the machine, ensuring that it can endure repeated use without compromising safety or performance. One of the standout features of this gym is its innovative weight stack lock system. With a 150-pound selectorized weight stack, users can easily adjust the resistance level according to their current strength and fitness goals. This customization not only streamlines the workout process by eliminating the hassle of loading and unloading weight plates, but it also adds an extra layer of safety by preventing unauthorized use. This means that family members or gym guests can use the machine without the risk of accidental adjustments, making it a safe investment for a busy household. Adding to its versatility is the dual-action press arms design. This thoughtful feature allows for a variety of exercises, including chest presses and vertical butterfly movements, effectively targeting multiple muscle groups such as the biceps, triceps, and pectorals. The ease of switching between different exercises with just a simple removal or insertion of a pin underscores the machine's user-friendly design. It empowers users to quickly shift from one exercise to the next without wasting time, thereby enhancing the efficiency of every workout session. The machine also includes a removable curl pad, which is ergonomically designed with high-density boxed upholstery. This detail is more than just a comfort feature. It plays a critical role in reducing tension and impact on the body during isolated bicep exercises. Being removable and adjustable, the curl pad is particularly beneficial for users who prefer targeted bicep workouts, allowing them to modify the setup to suit their unique body structure and training style. Another appealing aspect of the Marcy Home Gym is its compact design, which makes it an ideal choice for those who might have limited space in their homes. The innovative structure combines both arm and leg stations, meaning that users can enjoy a total body workout without needing to invest in multiple machines. Despite its sturdy construction, the equipment is designed to fit neatly into smaller areas, which is a significant advantage for apartment dwellers or anyone with a constrained workout space. At a current price of $499, the Marcy Multifunction Steel Home Gym offers a great balance of affordability and quality. Customer feedback indicates that the machine is well constructed and stable, making it a worthwhile investment for those looking to build strength and maintain fitness at home. With an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from nearly 2,000 global ratings, it is clear that many users have found it to be a reliable and effective piece of equipment. The value for money is evident, as users appreciate not only the comprehensive workout possibilities but also the durable design that promises longevity even with regular use. That said, like any product, there are some areas where improvements could be made. Several customers have mentioned that while the assembly is generally straightforward for those who are reasonably handy, the process can be a bit daunting for individuals who are less experienced with DIY projects. The instructions, while comprehensive and illustrated with clear diagrams, sometimes lack detailed written explanations, which can leave room for error if the user is not meticulous. Additionally, there have been occasional reports of missing parts, which, although not a widespread issue, is something potential buyers might want to be aware of before making a purchase. Despite these minor setbacks, the overall customer sentiment is positive. Users have praised the machine for its sturdy build and versatility, with many noting that it is more than capable of delivering a complete body workout. The ease of switching between exercises and the overall stability during use have been highlighted as key benefits, particularly by those who incorporate regular strength training into their routines. In summary, the Marcy Multifunction Steel Home Gym 150 pounds weight stack machine is a solid, well-designed piece of home fitness equipment that delivers on its promise of a comprehensive, full-body workout while also being mindful of space and safety requirements. For anyone looking to invest in a home gym system that combines strength, versatility, and durability, this machine is certainly worth considering.